Unlock the magic of your Disney vacation by mastering payments within the My Disney Experience app. First, ensure you've logged into your account once inside. Navigating to your payment options is a breeze. Look for your profile section, often represented by your name or a silhouette. Tap on it to reveal a menu of options. Within this menu, you'll find payment options. This is where you securely store and manage your credit cards and other payment methods. To add a new payment method, simply tap the Add Payment Method button and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. For your security, always ensure the information you enter is accurate and updated. Once saved, your payment method is ready for use. Now, let's see how easy it is to make a payment for your exciting plans, like purchasing theme park tickets. Browse and select the tickets or experiences you wish to purchase. When you proceed to checkout, you'll be presented with your saved payment options. Simply select your preferred saved payment method. If you need to use a different card, you can choose to add a new one at this stage as well. Review your order, confirm the payment method, and then tap Complete Purchase to finalize your transaction. You'll receive a confirmation right within the app. Managing your Disney vacation payments has never been simpler, allowing you to focus on the magic ahead.